Hello, hello, hello. Here I am again with my pie. This is the only pie that I make. And it's called Festive pie, which I only make around the, autumn, winter season and around Christmas. So this pie is my daughter's invention. She wanted to have a pie that it's like having a lunch, Christmas lunch, in a little pie that is very handy. So she's been pestering me to come up with the recipe. I said, come on, you just do it yourself. is your idea. And then she really did it, and it was actually the best seller during the Christmas season. And she's the one that has got a learning disability, special needs learning. So but other than that, she's okay. So this is the pie, yeah, and I've made some decoration. Originally we made it in the muffin or the cupcake tin when it's quite small, but now I've decided to do it in a pie. Oh gosh. Ha ha ha! The wind blew. Ha ha ha! The wind blew, and the camera went topsy-turvy. That's not very good. Okay, here we go again. Okay, let's continue. I'm not very good at this, so bear with me. Yes, bear with me. Okay, so here it is. Ta-da! I've cut this out, and you can see the layers. We have mash. What do you have here? We have cranberry sauce. We have mushroom with rosemary and Chinese spices, 5 spice, and we have pumpkin puree. We also have chestnut puree somewhere there. Yeah, that's about, I think, so many of them. Chestnut puree, pumpkin puree, okay. Rosemary with the mushroom. So you've got a layer of savory, and the pumpkin is sweet, and the chestnut puree is a bit sweet, but the mushroom is actually savory. See, it's actually savory. So let me try. I can smell the Christmassy smell. It's like pumpkin spice, and then the mushroom has got rosemary. You know what? I only like to eat the filling. But it's okay. Actually, the pie, it tastes better if you heat it up in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, mark 4, because there's moisture in the filling, and then the pastry can be a bit damp. So what you need to do is to put it in the oven, heat it up, warm it up, cool it, and then serve it warm, and it's so lovely. Enjoy your festive pie. Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.